Warning: please read the warnings we make in the More Information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein. Thanks to this, goodbye to all the fat in your body. Belly and waist fat is actually the most difficult to eliminate when we want to lose weight. In the eagerness to do this, many people resort to highly invasive treatments, drugs that put health at risk, or even the scalpel. Fortunately, there are natural options to eliminate abdominal fat. Today we present a breakfast that can change your life forever. Sometimes, the treatments to eliminate fat in belly and waist are usually very expensive. This drink, besides being economical, is very healthy, because it will contribute to your body a good amount of nutrients, vitamins and minerals that your body needs to stay healthy and healthy. Here, I explain, step by step, how this breakfast is prepared. This great breakfast will help you eliminate belly and waist fat, clean your colon, purify the toxins from your body, and it is made with 100% natural ingredients that will benefit your health enormously. As additional benefits of this breakfast, we can mention that it will help reduce constipation, favoring bowel mobility, help you lose weight and burn fat. Grandiose! Just by taking this breakfast, you can lose 3 to 5 pounds in a month. Try it, you will see how the fat in your abdomen is reduced significantly. The results will surprise you. Breakfast to eliminate fat in belly and waist in a month. Ingredients: 1. 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, also known as flaxseed. 2. 2 tablespoons of oatmeal. 3. 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. 4. 5 to 7 prunes well fleshy. 5. 300 milliliters of kefir or low-fat yogurt. 6. 100 milliliters of water. In preparation: this drink should be prepared from the previous night for the following day. Follow the instructions below. 1. Boil the water and spray it on the dried plums. Cover and let stand between 10 to 15 minutes. 2. In a bowl, mix the cocoa powder, flax seeds and oats into flakes, stir. Add the kefir and stir again. 3. Chop the plums and add to the previous mixture. 4. Store in the refrigerator. The next day eat this delicious breakfast, which besides being a delicacy to your palate, will be excellent for your health and will help you eliminate belly fat.